Checking out this beauty. Whew. Okay. This is decent. It's like a little office area.
They're proposing a bed and breakfast.
For this?
Yeah.
I guess that would be decent.
See, you got those.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so this is how they want it to look.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cute. This is a nice area though. I wonder if the bike comes with it.
Probably just sitting here.
That's what I was thinking. This is the master bedroom, I'm assuming. Yes, it is.
I think it's just a den.
It could be.
I mean, this is old school.
I know, this is dope though. About 20 foot, about what? Yeah, 15 foot ceilings at least. Might be 20. Where you at? Oh.
It's nothing. It's nothing.
Yeah, it is nothing. These some huge bedrooms, Jesus. Okay.
Whole lot of renovating.
It ain't as much as the other one.
No.
Not nearly as much. What's this? So this must be the master then.
Not sure what it is. I see a bunch of rooms.
You already went upstairs?
Easy to identify what they could have been.
Yes. Let's see what's up here. More space. Yeah, this is a lot less work. Got a basketball rim inside the house. Why? I don't know. Maybe I guess they were playing basketball up here. That's odd. Let you know how tall these ceilings are though. They got a basketball rim in here. it's got a basement?
Yeah, it's big.
What's in here? Oh, nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. Is it dark? Oh, it's a dungeon.
There's a little drawer down there.
Oh, this is a nice basement. Poured. Nice brickwork. I like it. What's this over here? Get my flashlight. I can't see nothing. Okay. There we go. Eat, drink, and smoke cigars. Cute. Okay. What else we got? Man, this is a solid basement. I like this. What's back here? Oh, this is the furnace and stuff. Damn it. Oh, okay. That is a tiny furnace for this huge house. I need like 3 of these bad boys. That's a tiny water tank. Man, look how short this water tank is. I'm like 6 feet. This bug is about, I don't know, about 5 feet. Most water tanks is taller than me. Ain't you? Alright, let's go. Did I go over here? Yes, I did. Close this door. Electricity work. That's good. Oh, the lights work. Okay. Anyway. Here we go. Fire line on a nigga. Okay, what else we got? That's it. It's nice, but dang, $1 million? I don't know. Oh, I ain't go back here.
Who came in?
Yeah, so what's this?
I don't know, but what I haven't seen is any kitchens
Well, you don't see anything,
or
cause
bathrooms. They must have took them all out. Oh, here's the bathroom.
Turn the light on.
This is like something they just put together for the moment, for the.
Real dim lights. Yeah, but this is a lot less work, but it's reflected in the price. They want twice as much money. What's this? The garage?
I mean, I don't.
Yeah. 3-car garage. It's nice. And they approved for most of the permits already. Then they got a little barn back there. Let's go in the barn. Okay, lock this up. Hold it.
Is it open? It's locked. It's got a key lock on it.
Hold on. Cool. It's beautiful out here, though. All right, let's go before you get in trouble.